Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are just going to be discussing how to use the Gold Sniper Master Indicator for MT4. All right. For more information, you can check the description below and just follow the link to the Forex Geek website and get more information about the indicator. Right now, as you can see, this indicator looks for trading opportunities on the selected asset, right? It helps you to capture sharp price movements. It gives you precise signals, as you can see, up telling you that it's a buy signal, although it's identifying it as a weak buy signal. Maybe it's just a pullback within this bearish trend, right? So it gives you direction, whether it's up or down, and then you can see the presence of these arrows. The purple arrows telling you to sell, the blue arrows telling you to buy. So the indicator also displays this channel, right? That also helps with the trend identification. When you are trading and you notice that the channel is sloping downwards, of course, it shows that it's a bearish trend. When the channel is sloping upward, it shows that it's a bullish trend. So you want to trade in the direction of the trend, okay? If the trend is bearish, I would recommend looking for only sell opportunities. If the trend is bullish, I would recommend looking for only buy opportunities. All right. So it means that when the trend is bearish, you should only be taking the signals from the purple downward arrows. Okay. And then when the trend is bullish, you should be taking only the signals from the blue upward arrows. Okay. Now, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, right? This is an opportunity to be a part of the Forex Geek and learn a lot, right? There are a lot of valuable indicators, valuable strategies, valuable expert advisors here on this channel that you can learn from. Okay, if you are looking for valuable information in the Forex market across different aspects of the Forex market, then this is the channel for you. Okay, now don't forget to like this video and also share it with those who you feel are going to find it valuable as well. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to turn on your notifications, okay, so that you will be among the first to get updated when we drop a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.